Life often deviates from the fairy tales we believed in as children, leading many to experience feelings of underachievement and procrastination due to high expectations and pressure from their upbringing. This can result in burnout, manifesting as emotional exhaustion, loss of motivation, physical symptoms like fatigue or headaches, and behavioral issues such as procrastination and social withdrawal. To address these feelings, it's essential to embrace them with compassion, understanding that burnout is not a personal failing, but a signal for self-care. Reflecting on the root causes, like perfectionism or unrealistic standards, can help separate self-worth from achievements. Prioritizing activities that bring joy and setting reasonable goals with clear boundaries can foster a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. Seeking professional help is also advisable if feelings of burnout become overwhelming.